enter, you will get this spacious living area. This will be your kitchen space where you will get two parallel platforms, a largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Guru Kripa Ekam by Guru Kripa Realkon located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and this will also be the actual land parcel of the project where the tower will get constructed. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project is located right beside Lotus petrol pump. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, before telling you about the project overview, I would like to tell you that this is the actual model of the project. This project will be spread across the land parcel of 1 acre. It is a standalone tower with two wings A and B, which will have ground plus 35 stories, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus amenities with half Olympic size infinity pool, temperature control pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located right next to Lotus petrol pump, bang on Link Road, Andheri West, from where Andheri railway station is only 10 minutes drive, Lower Oshiwara metro station is only 2 minutes walk, Infinity Mall is also at a distance of 2 minutes walk, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes drive, and school, colleges, hospital is within the distance of 10 minutes drive from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Guru Kripa Ekam. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1052 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As you enter, you will get this spacious living area. As you can see, you can easily place a two-side sofa, center tables, and you will be still left with plenty of walkable space. You can also customize your TV unit over here, and you can also place side tables if you want. You will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living. If you want to place swings, tea tables or tea chairs and enjoy a beautiful view from your balcony. Over here, you will get a dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. This will be your kitchen space. This is the show flat that is designed with the open kitchen, but you can customize and close the kitchen wall. This will be your kitchen space where you will get two parallel platforms and you can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. You also have a utility balcony in the kitchen. Moving forward, let me also tell you that you will get Italian marbles provided in the whole flat. Over here, this will be your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and the powder washroom. In the starting, we have the powder washroom that you can see is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Next, we have a first master bedroom. May I also mention all three bedrooms are master bedroom. Over here you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and in the starting we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, geysers are provided in all the three master bedrooms. This is your first master bedroom. You can see it is very spacious to place a king size bed along with the side tables, and you have plenty of walkable space. You can customize your own closet area And the floor to ceiling height is enough if you want to customize and build lofts. You will also get full French windows in this bedroom. Moving forward to the other bedroom, right beside our first master bedroom, we have a second master bedroom. As you enter, you can see this bedroom is also very spacious. You can place your king-size bed along with the side tables. You can customize your TV unit, and also if you want, you can customize a small study corner. You will also get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in this bedroom. You can keep your small sofas, tea tables and tea chairs in this balcony also. And over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom. You can see the washroom is very spacious and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. I would like to remind you again that you will be getting geysers in all the washrooms of the master bedrooms. This will be your wardrobe space that you can customize as per your choice, and you can see the wardrobe is very spacious. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Right beside these bedrooms, we have this, our largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king-size bed, side tables, and you can see you have plenty of walkable space besides the bed and in the bedroom. You can also customize your TV unit and a study corner. You will get full French windows in this bedroom, and over here we have your wardrobe space provided that you can customize as per your choice. Also, this will be the attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. I would also like to mention that you will get 2 ACs provided, one in the living and one in the largest master bedroom, that is this one, and also fall ceilings will also be provided. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Guru Kripa Ekam by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Andheri West. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I would like to ask you one question. Have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.